Hello, hello. I'm Erin Kendall, founder of Personal Trainer Marketing Strategy, and I am here to tell you why you should specify who your ideal client is that you want to work with. And I know it's exciting when you first become a personal trainer, you want to serve everybody. We've all been there. We want to help everybody under the sun. There's tons of people out there that can use your help, and you can help a lot of people. But for people to remember you, for people to refer you, for your website to speak to anybody, you have to speak to somebody specifically. So when we are putting ourselves out there, when we are presenting ourselves as a personal trainer, what are you doing that's memorable, and what are you doing and saying that allows your friends and family to remember to refer you? When a situation comes up and somebody is looking for a personal trainer, what are they going to remember you by? Are they going to remember you by a personal trainer that just helps anybody and everybody? Or will their friend say something that triggers a memory of you and makes it easier for them to refer you as a personal trainer? So before you start marketing yourself as a personal trainer, figure out who your ideal client is that you want to work with. And now, I'm not saying that you only can work with this type of person, but this is just the starting point. This is where we can start to create a name for ourselves. When we have a specialty and a specific type of client that we know that we can help them reach goals and milestones. Get them excited, get you excited for working with them. So once you figure out who your ideal client is, then you will need to find out where you can find them. How can they find you, and how can you make yourself visible to them? So are they reading the local paper? Are they on Facebook? Are they frequenting a local coffee shop? Do they go to the library? What are the things that your ideal client does on a regular basis, and how can you be visible there? So those are the first two things. Figure out who your ideal client is, figure out where you can find them, know what kind of results that they want and that you know you can help them achieve, and put that in all of your marketing material. So whether you're doing flyers, Facebook ads, brochures, a website, what have you, make sure that when you're talking to them using their language, and that they say, hey, this is the personal trainer for me. These are the results that I want. If we talk about helping people increase their fitness levels, or we talk about helping people get healthier, we're not giving them anything to grab onto. When we talk specifics, we help people with this type of weight loss. We help athletes with this type of performance. We help recovery from this type of injury, or we help postnatal clients. That gives something for people to grab onto when they're looking for a personal trainer and they come across your name, because you're going to want to get in front of them and you're going to want to stand out. How can you do that? And then we're going to put it all together. We're going to use their language. We're going to speak to that ideal client, and we're going to get in front of them where they are. So we're going to meet them where they are. Hey, if they're a 9-to-5 office kind of job person, then maybe you want to take a lunch into their office and do a 30-minute quick talk about how fitness can improve their productivity. So maybe you are working with business people who need to focus, and they're very ambitious, and they want to, climb the ladder, and they want to become really successful at their job. But you know that fitness can help them focus, be more determined, be in a better mood. All that stuff you'll want to put into your marketing plan and into the presentation that you're offering them. So I hope this helps. If you want to be able to complete a program of your own, go ahead and grab the workbook. I'll put the link below and ask me if you have any questions. All right, have a great day and good luck.